Charan! Hey guys! Shoota, wait! I'm a princess too. Char, where? From the Philippines. Traffic, a slow internet. Philippines! Yung bansang hindi ka magsikat kung wala kang love team tapos ginaulam din namin ang spaghetti. If you're from the Philippines, then why are you so short? Shoota ka? Does Philippines have salons? David Salon. Do you eat with your hands? Always. Do you love family gatherings? Pag may fight si Pacquiao. What's your favorite food? Lumpia. Ubod or Shanghai? Both. How many times do you eat? 5. Twice kami nagamerienda. Oh my God, do you know this girl named Jessica Soho and this girl named Corina who tracks all the kids with no slippers? Yes, check mo rin ang Rafi Tulfo sa YouTube. Do you love grilled foods and only rice? Yes, a boy zugba. How do you pronounce diabetes? Ha? Di ba diabetes? She is a Filipina. Wait, one last question. Do you call every toothpaste Colgate and say Xerox instead of photocopy? Yes, ano man pala ang tama? She is a Filipina. Nasa puso. Oh my God, I love your gown. It's so lit. So lit, yes, from Ukay. Love it. Do you guys have Chanel? Oh, Chanelas. I wanna try Chanelas. I wanna try Chanelas too. And she smells so good. Filipinos always take a bath. Nasa puso.